Let's bring in felony trial attorney and law and crime host Brian Buckmire for more on this. Brian, thanks for being here. You know, jury selection begins today, but we don't expect the trial itself to start for another 3 weeks. Why will it take that long?
Thank you for having me. Yeah, it's going to take a long time just because jury selection takes a long time to find people who have not had the bias of believing one way or another and can evaluate the evidence. But on top of that, you got COVID-19 restrictions. The judge is only bringing in 7 people at a time in the morning and the afternoon. To get to that magic number of having a jury and panel, it's going to take some time.
So let's talk about that, because 16 of the first 50 potential jurors have already been excused based on their answers to the juror questionnaire. How difficult do you think it's going to be to find jurors who are neutral on this case, given the global attention it's received and given the events that were caught on camera?
It's going to be extremely difficult. Right now, I think is going to be the easy part, because what you're seeing is the defense and the prosecution agreeing to 4 cause challenges, meaning that there's a reason why these people can't come on, whether it be not understanding the English language as well as they should or can for the trial, or already having a bias. Now, those 16 of the 50, they're gone. That's pretty easy. But when you whittle it down to the last few, that's going to be difficult because, of course, of the national and even international news that this case brought on.
And, Brian, can we talk about this third-degree murder charge that they're debating? Why are prosecutors pushing to add that third-degree murder charge, and why was it taken off the table to begin with?
Yeah, so there are 2 charges right now. There's murder, unintentional murder in the second degree, and then you've also got manslaughter in the second degree. Now, as you go down the list of charges, they get broader and broader for the kind of criminality that a person might do. Unintentional murder in the first degree is the most narrow. Manslaughter is a little bit broader. The prosecution wants to get the broadest charge that fits the facts possible in hopes of getting a conviction. Obviously, the defense wants the exact opposite. Now, for the prosecution, if they don't get it now when the jury is in a panel and when double jeopardy starts, they may never be able to get that back on. For the defense, if they can get that charge off before the jury, it's going to make their case a lot better for them.
All right, Brian Buckmire, we'll have to wait and see what the judge decides there. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.